FBI, open up. So your browser history, so what's up? Kicked your front door down, taking you downtown in a big black armored truck. We are the FBI, that's a crime. Getting Minecraft free online. Incognito mode can't stop us, bro. We can watch you anytime. We're behind your house, in the alleyway, because you're watching a too much anime. Police station, just a block away. Anime boobies, every day you view these. We can see, boy, what you're searching. You got a good meme choice, so it's worth it. We all know that you don't keep it clean, but congrats on the like from Belle Delphine. FBI, open up. It ain't need no boy, what's up? Sticking tape on your cam won't do much, man, cause we're everywhere you look. We are the FBI, we're your friend. You don't need a VPN. And I'm sorry, bro, that the girl said no when you slid in them DMs. Hey Alexa, she's a listening. The mic is hot, so we can listen in. I found that folder, it's sickening. I never knew people could achieve that positioning. Friend, you have an addiction. Just read your Tom Nook fanfiction. Not gonna lie, it was kind of a hit. But let's script you into descriptions. FBI, open up. You need help, your KD sucks. You've been playing WoW for 10 years now when you barely leveled up. We are the FBI, it's a crime for you to have this much game time. Violence comes from gaming, son, so go and get to life. We are the FBI with your mum, cause I kind of like her bum. Go get Pam on the webcam so I can have some fun. Not just the FBI.